Yeah, that the speakers when I roll through. I don't hang around long. I've been about my business, I've been working to the moon. As in my religion, we're just getting to the dough. On a mission, I've been 10 toes, I don't never fold. Ain't no competition, beefing up all and we keep running at the digits. We need it all, from the spring to the winter, we don't take no intermissions. But in the hours and the seconds and the minutes, as long as the clock still tick, you can always count on me to talk that. It's been a minute since you heard somebody rock like this.
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K, and we're going to be doing another hair tutorial today. So starting out, I'm going to be showing you just my braid pattern on how I do my crochet braids. This video is being sponsored by Toyotress. They did send me out this hair to review, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So this is going to be their Toyotress wand curl in 10 inches. And you do get 6 packs of hair, and then in each pack you do have 16 strands. So this is what the hair looks like. It just curls, and then towards the ends they're like very tight spiral curls. So that is what it looks like. With these, you're not gonna have the knot already on there, so you do have to do like your own little knot, but it's really not hard. And then it does come with the crochet needle, and then they do put a little bit of the jewels inside. So this is very self-explanatory. So all you're going to be doing is looping the hair. So you're just going to do it as if there was a crochet. And as you see, I'm just pulling the hair through. And then you will see me kind of just twist the hair, like loop it twice. You don't have to do that with this hair because it is going to not go anywhere. Yeah, this hair is not going to go anywhere. And then you just pull it tight just like that. And that is basically it on how to do the crochets. So for my crochet pattern, I always do the same. I do basically 3 braids. Like I do like 8 rows, and then for like the 3, I think I do 3 braids, and then I think the top 2 I have 4 rows, and then like the sides I have 3. So it just depends on how big or how little I do want the hair to go. So that's basically all I'm going to be doing for this hair. Just crocheting it in, and then the back I do have it just any kind of way. I did braid it straight back, and then I kind of connected the ends and just use some string just to tie it up. So that's all I'm doing. If you wanted to pull your hair up in ponytail and kind of do like a up style, like you want to make it look like you have the illusion of you have singles throughout, then you would just do the rubber band method in the back of your head as well, and then you can just have the center just braided down, and then you can do like the illusion that is braided, singled throughout the top and the back of the hair. So that's all I'm doing right now with this hair. I'm just looping it through. Doing crochets, it doesn't even take that long. I want to say it took me under 30 minutes to do the crochet. The part that's going to take long is me kind of shaping the hair because I'm trying to get it the way I wanted it to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and be looping the hair, and then we will get into the styling portion. For this tutorial, I did use all 6 packs, and when you see this hair is full. It's really full. So I might not need to use a lot of all the packs like in the back, but 1 pack of hair will do you. So if you do decide to order this hair, you just need to order just 1 pack. It will come with the 6 packs in the bundle, and then you'll have 16 per loop. So 1 pack of hair is going to work for you. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, this hair is super full, and then it's very bouncy. The hair, it doesn't feel heavy. You could feel the hair, like it does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not like heavy to where it's weighing your head down. So now I'm just going through and taking my hands and kind of finger combing it. I didn't want to keep the curls kind of like they are. I did want it to have like more of a natural state. So I'm going to go through and just finger comb, and then as I'm finger combing, I am going to go and layer the hair up. And I was just kind of doing the roots a little certain way, but you don't have to do that. Yeah, I don't think I did nothing at all when I did that. But I'm going to go through, cut the hair up, kind of layer it, to get it to how I wanted to, kind of frame the face, kind of give some dimension to the hair instead of it just being like straight down. So that is what I'm doing basically for this hair, and you will see like the hair looks different. It's giving fall vibes, winter vibes. It's just overall such a gorgeous crochet style. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I thought it was going to be short crochet by just looking at the bag, but as you can see, like the hair is super pretty. I love how these crochets look. I did kind of put this hair up in a in my bonnet, and you do get a little bit of not tangling, but the hair kind of tangles together. It's not tangling to where it's hard to detangle, but it kind of tangles towards the ends because it's curly, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, that was it for this hair. Look at it. So that's the before and that's the after. As you can see, it depends on your style and how you would like to wear it. I love the short hair and the dimensions, and then when I do both, it just looks so pretty. Look at the curls. Such a gorgeous crochet. And then since I have my hair parted the way I do, I could do a middle part, I could do a side part, I can pull it up in a ponytail. So you can do a lot of ways just by just doing this simple crochet hairstyle. So that is what it looks like in the back. Like it's still full, it's still pretty, and then this is the final results. So I do have it on the side so that you can see the side. I had the bang in the front, but then I did just flip it over to where you could see like the actual hairline, which is so gorgeous. I love the middle part of this crochet. Oh my god, it's so freaking gorgeous. But I will leave the link down below on where you can purchase this hair at, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the link down below. And if I do have a discount, it will be in the description box as well. Okay, so make sure y'all check out this hair because this is such pretty gorgeous hair for crochet. Like, get into the fall. This is that hair. This is that girl. Okay. Bye, y'all.